In this video, I'll show you how to add a widget in Leadpages in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and log into your Leadpages account. Once you're on the dashboard, find the landing page you want to edit and open it in the editor. This is where you can make live changes to your page. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Widgets. You'll see a list of available options like text, images, videos, buttons, and more. Choose the widget you want, then drag and drop it onto your page wherever it fits best. After placing the widget, click on it to open its settings. Here, you can customize everything, such as text content, colors, fonts, spacing, or video links, depending on the widget type. Adjust these settings so the widget matches your brand and page layout. Once you're happy with how it looks, your changes are saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully added and customized a widget on your Leadpages landing page. Feel free to experiment with different widgets to boost engagement and improve your page's performance.